TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Private Limited welcomes you to explore the possibilities of employing Chatgpt, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, for your research endeavors. With its ability to understand and generate human-like text, Chatgpt serves as a valuable tool for various research applications. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of how to effectively use Chatgpt for research purposes. Accessing Chatgpt. To begin using Chatgpt, visit our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in or contact us via +91 8305233223 or info@techiesgroup.co.in to inquire about access to the platform. Once you have obtained the necessary credentials, you will be ready to leverage the power of Chatgpt. Defining research goals. Clearly define your research objectives and questions you wish to explore using Chatgpt. Whether you're analyzing textual data, investigating trends, or conducting experiments, having well-defined goals will help you make the most of the tool. Data preparation. Prepare your research data by organizing it into a format that Chatgpt can process effectively. Ensure that the data is relevant, comprehensive, and properly structured. Preprocessing steps such as cleaning, formatting, and labeling may be necessary depending on your research requirements. Training and fine-tuning. To optimize Chatgpt's performance for your specific research needs, you may consider fine-tuning the model. Fine-tuning involves training Chatgpt on your domain-specific data, allowing it to generate more accurate and contextually appropriate responses. Our team at TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions can provide guidance and support for this process. Designing research experiments. Construct your research experiments by formulating appropriate prompts and questions to gather the desired information from Chatgpt. Experimentation is key to discovering the full potential of the model, and iteration may be required to refine your approach. Ethical considerations. Ensure that your research adheres to ethical guidelines, respects user privacy, and avoids biased or harmful content generation. OpenAI's ethical guidelines should serve as a foundation for responsible usage. Analyzing and interpreting results. Once you have conducted your research experiments, analyze and interpret the results obtained from Chatgpt. Evaluate the accuracy, relevance, and significance of the generated responses in relation to your research objectives. Compare and validate the findings with other reliable sources if necessary. Documentation and reporting. Document your research process, including the experimental setup, data used, and methodologies employed. Present your findings in a clear and concise manner, highlighting the implications and limitations of using Chatgpt in your research. This documentation will be valuable for future reference and collaboration. Conclusion. Leveraging Chatgpt for research purposes can unlock new possibilities in various domains. TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Private Limited, a trusted partner in advanced technology solutions, offers you access to this powerful tool. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can efficiently utilize Chatgpt to enhance your research endeavors and gain valuable insights in a range of disciplines. Contact us today to embark on a research journey empowered by cutting-edge language models.